Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English Journey by Shubhankar. At first, take my love. I hope all of you fine and I am also fine by the grace of my all friends. So friends, today I was going a new place and now I am standing a new place and I hope you know this place. This place are called Tulsi Chara Mela, and you can see the temple of here of people, but this is now completely flooded. Although the scene is truly heartbreaking, this is the reality. Due to the continuous rainfall over the past few days, the river's water level has risen significantly. The water is still rising and no one knows how much higher it will go or what will happen next. As you can see, I was passing through this area, so I decided to capture this moment and share it with all of you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and please let me know your thoughts in the comments before ending this video. I will try to see you in this temple. Radhe Radhe.